Hello and welcome to this presentation for keratoprosthesis. My name is David Chun and this project is for Biology 33, Medical Terminology. First, what is keratoprosthesis? It's a surgical procedure that replaces a severely damaged cornea with an artificial cornea. Before we move on into more detail, let's first break down the word keratoprosthesis. Keratoprosthesis comes in with two parts. First, kerato, it means relating to cornea, and prosthesis, artificial body parts. And who needs keratoprosthesis? This is for, you might have guessed it, anyone with a severely damaged cornea, and it's usually recommended for people who have lost cornea due to an eye infection. Here's the bisected image of an eyeball. Cornea is depicted here. Cornea is the most outer layer of an eyeball. Um, it is the most outer layer of an eyeball. The origin of keratoprosthesis. It is actually derived from tooth in the eye surgery. It was developed by Benedetto Strampelli of San Camillo Hospital in Rome in 1963, and the procedure is called osteodontokeratoprosthesis. In short, it's called OOKP. Osteodontokeratoprosthesis, usually called tooth in the eye surgery. First, let's break down the words. Osteo, it means bone. Odonto means tooth, and kerato, again, it means relating to cornea, and prosthesis, artificial body part. So what is tooth in the eye surgery? First, they extract the tooth from the patient, and they drill a hole in the middle where the artificial lens is put in. After they make the socket. After that, they use this artificial cornea. After removing the damaged cornea, they put in the osteodontokeratoprosthesis. And the picture on the left is the finished result, and picture on the right is finished result with artificial prosthetic to cover up the external surface of an eye. Osteodontokeratoprosthesis can be practiced today, but a better solution was developed from Boston. Boston keratoprosthesis requires no tooth extraction in the process, and it still uses plastic lenses, but with titanium plates, and it's preferred for patients with regular tear production and eyelid function. It was developed by Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary in 1992. So here are the parts that were used in Boston keratoprosthesis. The front part, which is the plastic optics and the cornea graft, and then black plate made with titanium and locked ring. Here are the pictures in real life. And the picture on the left is the patient with damaged cornea, and the picture on the right is the final result after the surgery. And here's the final result again. This medical procedure is actually a work of miracle because it restores the vision for patients who have lost the cornea and have lost the hope of seeing, being able to see again. And it's a work of miracle because it also have the high retention rate, with more than 80% after the first and second year of follow-up. However, it still comes with negative side effects. So there are complications after Boston keratoprosthesis. It's called glaucoma, and it's a serious illness that developed from the pressure that is built up in the eyeball, and it could potentially damage the optic nerve in the back of the eyeball because of the pressure. So it still comes in with complications, but it's still a work of miracle because it restores vision. Thank you very much for watching my presentation, and here are the reference for this research, for this project. Thank you very much. My name is David Chun, and this was for the presentation for keratoprosthesis. for Biology 33. Thank you very much.